Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ion Simplicity. In the previous video, I have promised you to make clays at home. So, this video, I will show you two methods of making clays. In the first method, I have used the newspaper shreds. And for the second method, I have used maida. With the clay I have made, I am going to show some home decor ideas. Here I am going to make a leaf tray and a wall hanging. So let's begin the video. First, shred the newspapers into small pieces like this. I have used 4 sheets of newspaper for this purpose. Now take a bowl and soak the shredded pieces in water. Totally I have 2.5 cup of newspaper and I am soaking these papers in 500 ml of water. Make sure the paper pieces are submerged completely in water. Also ensure the paper pieces is completely soaked at least for 5 hours. After soaking it for 5 hours, I have ground it to get the paper pulp. The next step is to strain the paper pulp and removing the excess water. So follow the methods which I am showing here. The paper pulp will look like this after grinding. It will be a smooth paste. The excess water content can destroy the clay. So remove the excess water completely to leave behind a mass clay like mixture, the thing which I am showing here. Wear the gloves and separate the mixture. The next step is adding white glue and putty to the mixture. I have added 1 cup of putty and half cup of white glue. Knead it well. The next step is adding the all-purpose flour or maida to the mixture. I have taken 1/4 cup of maida and kneading it. Our clay is almost ready. To get a consistent dough, I have kneaded for around 15 minutes. Now I am testing the consistency by gently pressing a pinch of the dough. If the consistency is correct, you can mold the dough very easily. Next, wrap the dough in a polythene cover and keep it in an airtight container. You can keep this dough in refrigerator for 4 days. Next, I will show you the second method of making clay. For that, take a clean bowl, add 1/4 cup of salt and 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Try to dissolve the salt to the maximum extent you can. It will definitely improve the texture of the clay. Now, I am going to add half cup of maida and 1 tablespoon of oil and kneading it to get a correct consistency. Wrap the clay in a polythene cover and keep it in an airtight container for 1 month in refrigerator. Next, I will show you some artifact which can be made using these clays. Take a oval shaped plate like this, grease it with oil or lotion or Vaseline, whichever is available at home. Place the clay gently the way I am showing in the video. You can apply some water for easy molding. Cover the entire tray like this. Now, smoothen the surface of the clay using the backside of the spoon. Now, take a leaf which is almost equal to the size of the tray which you have and press it against the clay to form an imprint on it. I am forming a wavy feature along the edges and the base of the leaf. Allow it to dry at least for a day. If the clay is completely dried, it will come out of the mold very easily. If not, dry it for some more time. I have painted this tray with green and golden acrylic colors. This is the finished look of our tray. Next, we will make the wall hanging. For that, take a round plate, apply some oil on the backside of the plate, place the clay gently on the plate and cover it. You can also apply some water for the smooth application of the clay. I have not smoothened the edges of the plate. Allow it to dry at least for 24 hours. As you can see, the clay plate is coming very easily out of the mold. Next step is painting this plate. I have drawn a peacock roughly with a pencil. Now, using a 3D outliner, I am completing the design. Next, I am going to give a single coat of white acrylic paint. After that, I have painted the peacock with dark blue, green, red and yellow paints. If you find difficulty in drawing peacock, you can choose a different yet simple design and paint it according to your ideas. As you can see, using birds, I have created the frame and I have highlighted the center of the circle with 3D marker. I have painted the backside of the plate with a copper metallic shade. Place the double side mounting tape at the backside of the plate and stick it on the wall. In this video, I have shown the artifacts made out of the first clay. In the coming videos, I will show more artifacts with the second clay. I hope you like my video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell button for the future notifications. See you soon with yet another simple craft.